everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna review the #1 successful film of the Malayalam film industry, Anjam Padira, starring Kunchako Boban, Srinath Bhasi, Ramya Nembisan, Jeenu Joseph, Unimaya Prasad. I hope I'm getting all the names correct here. But this is the #1 successful movie of the Malayalam film industry, highly recommended and one of the biggest successes of Kunchako Boban's career in the past 4 to 5 years, I think. And this is a very enjoyable thriller movie, a serial killer movie that is come out after very long, and I think it was something worth watching. Let's begin with the performances. Kunchako Boban, who has been part of some very good movies but has not got due credit even in those movies such as Takeoff and Virus, both of which I have reviewed on my channel. He was like the underdog in those movies. Here he finally gets due credit for his amazing performance. He was completely natural, laid back, no overacting, no sort of overdoing anything in terms of body language. And that is what is most admirable about him, how he carries movies with very simplistic and straightforward performances. Jeenu Joseph and Unimaya Prasad give great support to this movie, and Srinath Bhasi is a gem. We have seen him in Kumbalangi Nights in a very knockout performance, and also in the recent Fahad Fasil movie Trance. Both of these movies I have reviewed, and in Trance he had a cameo, but he really disappeared into the character. And similarly over here too, he disappears into the character of the hacker. He's getting better with every movie, and his film choices are absolutely cool. So let's hope and see how his acting potential gets sort of captured in the future movies to come, and what kind of movies he chooses. And I am keeping a close track of his career path. He is someone that's always surprising with his performances. There are a couple more people in the movie. Everyone lends very good support to the whole story, and I think that the acting is on point. The approach of natural acting and natural delivery is on point. So is the direction. The only thing I would say about Anjam Padira, and I don't want to reveal much, so I'm not getting into too many details, but the only thing I would say about the movie is that it could have been a little short. There was scope for 15 to 20 minutes of trimming. Now the movie proceeds in a police procedural way. It is an investigation thriller. It goes from one lead to another to build up a perfect serial killer movie until the final reveal is done. But in that process, a couple of the leads were not as interesting, and a lot of time was spent on it. And for me, that was just something that you can sort of trim the fat and make the movie more thrilling and interesting to watch. Nevertheless, it is not something to complain about. It doesn't mean that you have a less than satisfying experience. It's just something that I personally think could have been more gripping, edge of the seat experience. Some people are comparing this movie to Ratsasan, and I just want to call out and say that this has nothing to do with Ratsasan. If you haven't watched Anjam Padira yet because you think or you believe the rumors that it's like Ratsasan, you should definitely go and watch it, especially if you liked Ratsasan, because if you like that kind of a movie, and we typically try to hunt what are movies like Ratsasan that I can watch and what are other thriller movies that I can watch, then this is a perfect movie, a perfect substitute for Ratsasan for you to go and enjoy another movie in that genre, in that zone. Completely different story, different experience. Every serial killer movie has a certain template, and of course all movies, including Ratsasan, including Anjam Padira and many other movies, follow that template all across the world. But that doesn't mean that it is inspired in any way. The backstories of the serial killers, the way the procedural is conducted, the way the movie is delivered, everything is completely different in these two movies. So I personally could not see any similarities. If I want to see similarities, I can see many similarities, not only between Ratsasan and Anjam Padira, but I could also bring you Mindhunter, Perfume, so many other serial killer movies and web series and shows to say that everything is copied from everything. So we should, not really do that unnecessarily. So I think these were two completely different experiences, and therefore we should stop comparing the two, is what I strongly believe in. Nevertheless, this is a movie that gives us hope for the thriller genre. It is a genre that is not well utilized in India, not underproduced in India, and it should definitely, because of responses to movies like Ratchasan, Anjam Padira, a lot can be explored in these particular thriller genres, investigation genres, serial killer genres, when we watch a lot of this on Netflix and Amazon Prime and things like that in terms of the international scenario. So to bring it home in India and to make such movies and series will be absolutely delightful because of the amazing responses they get. So I'm hoping more such movies are made. I'm also hoping that Kunchak Boben's career that has become very good now again, you know, it's back on track, he's back in the spotlight because of Anjam Padira. Hopefully he makes the wise choices going forward, gets the right roles and gets utilized perfectly so that we get to see more of him on screen. And it's not that he doesn't offer so many movies for us to watch, it's just that many of those miss the mark or are very catered to the local audiences that or his fan base, that they do not age well, or they do not do well, or they do not go around the country, so to speak. So hopefully movies like this help his career more now and make him even more better and bigger in the coming days. So I'm hoping for a lot more. Overall, this was a great watch. I'm going with 3.5 stars. Let me know what you guys think of the movie, what you guys felt, what you guys think of my review, and watch my videos as I keep posting them. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care. Take care of yourselves and everyone around you. Stay safe, stay clean, stay healthy, and keep watching for more.